Hey, welcome back to Legal Lessons. Today's video is all about the relationship between the Norwoods and the Kardashians. A lot of us might associate the relationship between RayJ and Kim with their 2007 sex tape, which made Kim and her entire family a household name. The relationship started years before that, where Kim Kardashian was actually the personal stylist for RayJ's sister, Brandy. Now, a year after the sex tape was released in 2007, there was a lawsuit filed by RayJ's mother, Sonia Norwood, against Kim Kardashian and actually named some of her siblings also as defendants in the lawsuit. Now, while this case was filed in 2018, allegedly this incident occurred years before and was discussed amongst the families years prior. Now, the subject of the lawsuit between Sonia Norwood and Kim Kardashian and her siblings is actually our legal lesson for today. And that lesson is that authorization expires. If someone gives you permission to do a thing at one time, it does not give you unlimited capacity or authorization or ability to continue to do it repeatedly forever. Now, the 2008 lawsuit filed by Sonia Norwood alleged that Kim Kardashian used a credit card, an American Express credit card of hers, for charges that were not authorized. As a matter of fact, she stated that she gave Kim this card with the express condition once to purchase one item. And this was back in 2004. In the lawsuit filed by Sonia Norwood, she goes on to explain that beyond that one authorized purchase in 2004, Kim Kardashian continued to use the credit card for unauthorized purchases in 2006 and 2007, and she even alleges that Kim eventually passed the card information over to her siblings, Chloe and Rob, who also ran up the charges. In the lawsuit, Sonia alleged that the Kardashians was using her credit card in order to purchase items to actually stock their store that they had at the time, which was Dash. The lawsuit alleges that the Kardashians spent a whopping $120,000 on her credit card before she noticed and stopped. Now, Sonia said that she intended to pursue her remedies under the law, but her children, RayJ and Brandy, spoke to her and asked her basically not to pursue criminal charges against Kim because at the time they were all still friends.
I feel bad for the age. You don't think I feel bad? Everything, and I feel bad.
Mind you, this was back prior to the release of the sex tape in 2007. Now, prior to the release of the sex tape, this entire incident occurred, and some people speculate that perhaps the sex tape was released as revenge or connected in some way to this incident that occurred prior to. Now, after the sex tape was released in 2007, RayJ's mother, Sonia, and Kim Kardashian was able to settle this issue and this conflict outside of court. Some people speculate that Kim used some of the proceeds that she made from releasing or having the sex tape leaked to pay this money back. But again, we don't know. All we know is that this sex tape came out. Following that, they were able to hash out their differences and resolve the issue about the credit card charges outside of court. But again, we are here to learn a lesson from other people's mistakes. And so the point of this video is to just reiterate and make very clear that just because I give you permission to do one thing with my anything, right? You can fill in the blank with my credit card, with my phone number, with my information. Just because I give you access and permission or a license to do something for a limited purpose does not mean that you can take it and use it for years to come, specifically not my credit card. So what do you think? Do you think that she should be held liable for using that card even though she was given permission and given the information? Do you think that is illegal? Do you think she should have pressed charges? Let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time we post a video. And until next time, stay safe and out of trouble.